Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got Georgia here again and we've got our monthly unboxing of our Geek Gear Wizardry box. So it arrived while we were away on a cruise. So we're going to unbox this now and find out what's in it. You want to open it? Well done. Alright, as always, it's blue because I'm in Ravenclaw. Let's have a look. What's the first thing?
We've got a few shirts.
We got a few shirts, have we? Alright. What's the first shirt? So we have a few wearables.
It has a scalp.
Oh, this is our first shirt.
Magic and spells.
Magic and spells. Wizard, witches, wands and potions. That's pretty cool.
Wouldn't there also be
There
brooms?
There might be brooms, yeah. Alright, we've got to get the other shirt out of the way?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, our next shirt is this one.
With the
three brothers from the Deathly Hallows. There we go. So we've
Why
got...
do they have those symbols?
So that's the Elder Wand. That is the Stone of Resurrection. And that's the Invisibility Cloak. Very cool. Alright, let's see what else we've got.
It has a bracelet that says Ravenclaw.
Oh, cool. So we've got a little bracelet that says Ravenclaw. There we go. That's a pretty cool little bracelet. Cool. Excellent. What else have we got? What's that one?
Geek Gear Wizardry.
Enamel.
Enamel pin. What does that mean?
So it's a pin.
Oh.
So like, you know, all the pins that are on our cloaks and stuff. Okay, so we have a pin.
With books.
With books.
Can
And
I...
we got, yeah, what books have we got on there?
Got potions.
Yeah. Defense.
Charms.
And
Magical creatures.
locations and habitats. That's a nice little pin. Good
And
size.
it has the scarf.
Oh, it does
Ravenclaw.
have a Ravenclaw scarf on it too. Awesome. What else have we got in there?
Wizardry socks.
Wizardry socks. Okay. So we've got Wizardry socks here. Alright, let's have a look at these guys. Oh, so they're nice long boot knee-length socks.
Oh, there they are.
And they've got just owl cages and some Patronus and glasses. We then have our recipes for the month. So we've got Petunia's pudding.
Ooh.
That's cake. And then we've got sherbet lemons, which is Dumbledore's favourite.
It is.
Yeah. It's the one of the codes to get into his office. And then the last thing that we have in the box is our print. Oh, cool. So our print is a Honey Duke's chocolate frog print. Very nice.
Too bad it's not real.
Yeah, too bad it isn't real. Chocolate frogs. Yum. And then, of course, we have our pamphlet. So, looking at the prices, we've got £7.99 for the enamel pin. We have £11.99 for the socks. The bracelets are $6.99. Oh, it's a 4-print set. Oh, awesome. Hold on.
Oh.
Oh, cool. So we have 4 prints. So we've got our Honey Duke's chocolate frogs. We have our Weasley and Weasley products. We have our 420-second Quidditch World Cup. And then the advanced potion making. This one's cool. I like that one.
Advanced potion. Oh!
So the 4 prints together cost £14.99.
Wow.
And then both of the shirts were $9.99 each as well.
You got Australia.
Oh, it's got Australia on it. Excellent. Yeah, we'd be really good at Quidditch, I think, down here.
Yeah, but why does it have the names for like the countries in the real world?
Well, because the wizards and witches live in the real world too, amongst the Muggles. Hey, so it's real.
I like that they included Australia.
You like that they include Australia? It's pretty cool. All right, so what was your favourite thing in the box?
I think I like the full prints.
The 4 prints?
But especially this one.
Yeah.
And the chocolate frog one.
I'm going to say I like the bracelet. I like wearing just some subtle Harry Potter jewellery on a daily basis, so I like that
And
one.
now you're not getting Ravenclaw stuff just for you.
No. Oh, no. Okay, so thank you very much for joining us today. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and as always, remember to be kind, be strong, and be a warrior. And we'll see you later. Bye.